My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you for stopping by and checking us out. If you are returning, thank you so much for choosing to come back and see us again. Now, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and take a moment and hit that subscribe button on the bottom of the screen. We'd be glad to have you. There's always room on this family tree just for you. Well, this is going to be a very short video on today. All I'm doing is showing you my natural hair. I really do have hair under the wigs that you see. All of this is mine. And I just want to show you how I get it together in the mornings that I'm wearing my natural hair. I'm going to say it probably takes me between 7 and 9 minutes to do my hair. It depends on how many twists that I have actually had in my hair. So if you'd like to see exactly how this was done, by all means, stick around. Thank you so much. Until the next time, you have a great day. Well, what I'm doing right now, actually, I'll just go back to the beginning why I'm doing this. So I was talking to my granddaughter, and she said, "Oh my God, Gran, look at your hair. I didn't know your hair looked like that. You know, you always keep it braided or under your wig or whatever." I said, "Really now?" She said, "Yes." She said, "You should show everybody your hair." So I'm accommodating my granddaughter, but also I need to let y'all know, just because someone may be wearing a wig or have their hair in braids, it may not mean that they don't have any hair, that they're bald or anything like that. There are some people who just do not know how to manage their curly hair or their natural hair, because sometimes it can be a little difficult if you're not sure of what you're doing. It can be a little challenging to do your own hair. So, but this is not going to be a long video or anything at all. I just wanted to step in and show you just what my natural hair looks like. I've had it braided and under a wig or whatever for probably about 4 or 5 months now. I'm coming back from the big chop when I cut off and got rid of the chemicals. No longer chemical treated hair. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like and what I do, you know, on a daily basis to get my hair done. So I've taken out all of my twists, which I only put maybe 8 twists in my hair, and this is after you know, I've washed it and conditioned it and, you know, did my twist out. Okay, so, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm taking out my front twists. Okay, I'll stretch it out a little bit so you can get an approximate look at the length. So this is all mine. There's nothing added. It's just mine. Okay, so here's my length. It comes down. Let's see. How about that? Okay, down this far. So here we go with that. And I just I need to take my rings off because I really don't feel like washing them again right quick. But I'll go ahead and, you know, just kind of finger comb it a little bit. I will take my other lifter, you know, just so I can, you know, kind of lift it from the scalp. Okay, make it look kind of nice. So I have 2 left in the top. All the rest of them are out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take those loose. And I usually, although I put anti-frizz on it before I twisted it up last night, so I'm just gonna take these out. I won't spray anything on it. If anything at all, it might be water, but it feels really nice and moisturized, so I really don't even think I'm going to do that. So I take them out, and let's see here. So my husband told me he hasn't seen hair in a while, so I'm telling him I'll wear it out for, I guess, maybe a week or so. We'll see. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to just lift it in the back so I can make sure that there's no parting. And here we go. So this is it for me on today. My hair is probably comes maybe, I want to say mid arm. Okay, so told you it wouldn't be too long of a video. Just getting my hair together so I can go and run my errands. So thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see. If you want to see more natural hair on my channel, by all means, you say the word, I got you. You know, I get a curl box every month and I do an unboxing of those products. So if you would like to see me using them or see what my hair looks like after the fact, I am going to do a smooth down swoop in the back, probably for the weekend. I have an after 5 attire event coming up, so I'm trying to decide what I want to do with that. So until next time,